Today, I am building my very own Fairy Treehouse. Oh, yeah. All right. Yo, what is up, guys? We are back with another episode of Andreas Does Art. And today, I am super excited to show you this. I've been working on this project for quite some time now, and there's so much that went into it. Lately, one of my favorite things has not only been exploring as many different mediums as I can, but trying to incorporate as many different mediums into one project. And that's what I got today. You might be wondering what this project is. You've seen something similar to this before. Raina and I built a fairy house. And so today I am building my very own fairy tree house. Oh yeah. It all started off with these two stumps I got. One Raina found and the other one I got somewhere. I forget where. I got these two stumps, and the moment I saw the stump Raina had, I knew that this needed to be built into a treehouse. So the stump split off into two, and it looked like a perfect perch to put a little hut on. I had these two stumps. They were going to be the basis for the platforms. Once I had that, I wanted to build little rooms for these fairies to live in, right? So I got this really thick poster board. It was like as thick as cardboard. So I used that to make the basic shape of the walls in the rooms. Then once I had the shape, I covered them in spackle, let the spackle dry, and I painted it over to look more like a cement wall. So now I got the walls and the rooms ready to go. I'm going to use wood glue to attach everything together, and just going to glue the wall to each of the platforms and then glue both of the platforms together. So I picked up some styrofoam, and that's what I'm going to use to carve the roof of the fairy tree house.
All right. Well, here it is. Fairy Treehouse. It is been drying overnight, and I think it's time to peel all the tape off. Check out, make sure everything held up.
Now everything's all glued together, the structure is complete, and now it's time to decorate it. Oh yeah! First things first, we're gonna cover all of this in moss. everything is covered in moss. Now, let's add some electricity. Let's wire this thing up. Yeah, I definitely think this thing is going to need some lights. If there's going to be fairies living in here, you know, at nighttime, it's going to get dark. They're going to want to be chilling, so they're going to have some lights. So I got these string lights from Ace Hardware, and I'm going to wire them up. Now we got this battery box that we got to hide somehow. I'm going to use that poster board again to carve a little box. We're going to put that at the base of the fairy house so we can slide the battery pack in there. And then, of course, we're going to cover that in moss. I wasn't sure what I wanted to do with the bottom half of the fairy house, just this big trunk. But what I decided to do is make a clay door that I'm going to put on that box, and then I'm going to make a clay window to put right above it. Once those are dry, we're going to paint them, and then we'll glue them to the fairy house. Yeah, we're making windows. You better believe it. Now we got the lights, but I want to add some more color. So I'm going to cover this thing in dried flowers that I've been saving up and stole from Raina. Raina also made me these cute little clay mushrooms and a flower to put in the fairy house. That's fucking awesome. It looks amazing. It's a perfect fit. The backside of the bottom log feels a little empty, but Raina gave me this awesome idea, so I'm gonna make a ladder that goes from the bottom to the top. So I got some twine and I broke up some sticks, sanded them down, and tied together this ladder that hangs down from the midpoint to the bottom.
That's what they're gonna have to climb up, babe. Your little snowman's gonna have to climb up this shit.
His little twiggy arms.
Yeah.
He's gonna be like, I'm climbing my arms.
That'd be scary. Imagine if our ladders were made out of human bones or some shit.
I would do it. So I found out what the skunk in the refrigerator was for.
Oh my
The skull, it was a skunk.
And?
It's for my grandma to drink.
What do you mean drink?
They're gonna boil it and then drink the fat that comes out of the bone.
Babe, that literally, I could throw up right now. Fuck yeah, babe! Oh my god! That's what it needed for sure.
Babe, that's sexy. Look at girlfriend giving you the ideas.
I know.
Pat myself on the back. I want 50% of this.
And she gave me these little butterflies too that I can wire all throughout the fairy house. I think that's it. I think we're done. I think we're finally finished. I don't know how many different mediums went into this, but it was a bunch. You know what? It is missing one thing though. You know, of course there's going to be fairies that are coming in and out of here, but I think it needs a permanent resident. It needs someone to like call this place home, someone to really settle down and keep things tidy in there. So who other than my very own dude? Let's grab some clay, make one more thing, paint them up, and then that'll be a wrap. That's it. That's all I got. That's my fairy tree house. I hope you guys liked it. It was super fun. I'm stoked it all came together and it's finally done. And I'm going to take it into my room and look at it every night. Let me know what you think. This thing is going to look so sexy in my room. Hell yeah. Thanks for watching. Thanks for checking it out. I appreciate you guys. And until next time, we out.